Street legal 4-seater Dune Buggies, the ultimate fun and rugged ride. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you a quick overview on street legal 4-seater Dune Buggies, the ultimate fun and rugged off-road vehicle that you can legally drive on public roads. What are they? A street legal 4-seater Dune Buggy is an off-road vehicle that has been modified to meet legal requirements for road use. This makes them versatile for both trail riding and daily driving. Key features include roll cages, seatbelts, headlights, etc. Why choose one? Dune Buggies give you unmatched off-road performance and on-road drivability. Perfect for thrill-seeking families and friends. Take your adventures beyond the pavement legally and safely. Popular models. Some top models include the 1,500 cubic centimeters, 108 horsepower Rokita MC 54-150B and the electric Myers Manx 2.0. So if you're looking for the ultimate on- and off-road fun machine, be sure to check out the 4-seater street legal Dune Buggy. Visit our website dunebuggyoofficial.com for a full guide and reviews. Link in the description.